In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automatically translate pages in Google Chrome, full guide. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the three vertical dots which open the main Chrome menu. Click on those dots to open the drop-down list. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Google Chrome, where you can customize how the browser works. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Languages section and click on it. After opening Languages, find the Google Translate section. In this section, you will see an option labeled Offer to translate pages that are not in a language you read. Make sure that toggle is turned on. If it is off, click it once so it becomes enabled. With this setting turned on, Chrome will be able to recognize when a web page is written in another language and prompt you with the translation option. This is useful if you browse international websites, read articles from other countries, or visit pages that are not displayed in your preferred language. If you do not see the translation prompt right away on a foreign language page, try refreshing the page or opening another website in a different language. That covers everything you need to know.